As I drove downtown Baghdad, I couldn't help but marvel about the beauty of sunrise and the trees lining on both sides of the boulevard downtown Baghdad. But my admiration and marveling was short lived because there was a huge truck blocking the beautiful scenery ahead of me. I felt frustrated and disappointed because I couldn't fully appreciate the beauty of this moment. And as I followed the truck, I couldn't neither see the speed limits nor could I see the full scenery of marvelous trees and sunrise on both sides of the boulevard. I got to a point that I felt trapped and claustrophobic in my car, that I thought to 1 second that there was nothing more beautiful except for the black asphalt of the road. But then there was something inside me that urged me to take the leap of faith and overtake the truck, even if that required that I go off the road and then get back on the road. Despite my initial hesitancy, I decided to take the leap of faith and overtake the truck. I got off the road and then I got back on the road. Then, after I went for it, I realized there was so much more to see. The landscape was breathtaking and the trees were stunning and marvelous. This short moment of experience has taught me a very valuable lesson that sometimes we have to take risks in order to overcome the obstacles in front of us. Sometimes we feel that we are stuck in a rut to a point where we cannot move forward or see the beauty in life. But if we are willing to take the chance and push beyond our personal limitations, we can discover new and wonderful things that we have never thought that they existed. So next time you feel you're stuck in a rut or unable to move forward, take the risk, because you never know what kind of beautiful things waiting for you on the other side. Thank you very much.